Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gaurav Graphics. In this video, we are going to create an advertisement banner, and it is a random banner. We can take any kind of products from the Google, and we have to make that banner. So first, I am showing you from where we can sell this kind of banner. So there is a website which is called Fiverr. So you can visit here and you can see here. First, as I am saying that we have to make advertisement banner. Then first we have to search here ad banner. So guys, you can see that these kinds of banner pupils are making for the persons, and you can see that many products banner are making pupils for the pupils, and pupils are purchasing that. So here is the price of that banner is 385, and you can you can see that he had completed 1k plus orders as the rating of 5.0, and the price of it is 385. You can see many gigs which is related to ad banner design. So like that we are going to create something like that. So first visit our Photoshop, and it is a size of our artboard. So select first I choose a image from the Google. So this is our image. So we can say that it is a bokeh image. So you can search it on Google. If you want to choose that same image, then you can download this image from the Google. And our object is this shoes. So I'm making it simple first. So actually I have completed that banner, and it is a random banner, but I am showing you guys step by step. It is our product, and for looking it good, I am giving some effect in this product. I am just adjusting its drop shadows. So you can select drop shadows by pressing right key and go to blending options, and from here you can choose it. So I am canceling it. Now we have to put our text. So our text is this. So these are our text. I am using same font in this whole banner. So you can see that this is a Poppins font, and in every text I am using this same font. So you can see that from here. So if you want to download this file, then link in description, but I am making some creative here. So just simply I am put that font and change the color of half statement. It look be like good, and now I am making some round rectangles here for looking it good. And so guys, you can see that our banner is completed, and you can match it. These are the same banners those pupils are selling in Fiverr and other platforms. So all banners are same, but it depend on our creativity and our product also. So you can see that. So thank you guys, hope you understand that content, and if you really a freelancer, then visit fiverr.com. It is a best platform for earning money. If you really like our video, then definitely you should subscribe our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel name is Gaurav Graphics, and thank you for watching.